Hello learners! Welcome to Mugombi Online School. Today we're learning about atom parts. Atoms, the smallest element particles, contain protons, neutrons, and electrons. The nucleus has positive protons and neutral neutrons, making it positive. Electrons orbit the nucleus. In a neutral atom, protons equal electrons. Recap: protons are positive, neutrons neutral. Electrons are negative.
A quick reminder to my dedicated learners. I advise you to subscribe on our channel so that you won't lose our future lessons. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated. Also, please like and share this video with your friends.
The two types of charges. All matter contains electric charge and can either be positively charged or negatively charged or neutral. An object becomes neutral when it contains an equal amount of positive and negative charges, like this one. This one is a neutral because it has got 4 protons, which are equal to the number of electrons. So if the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, it becomes neutral. And protons are found in the nucleus. There are also neutrons, which are not indicated in this diagram. So for a neutral object to be neutral, in this case, according to this example, we have got 4 positive charges, which are protons, and 4 negative charges, which are electrons. So what it means, let us calculate like this. Protons 4 minus electrons, we get 0. So the total charge is 0. So the object is neutral in this case. But if there are more of one type of a charge than the other, the object becomes electrically charged. Let us consider these two atoms. For a positively charged object, right, let us identify this. A cation is a positively charged atom object and an anion is negatively charged. So let us look at this example of the cation, right? It has got 4 protons, which are 4 positive charges, and 3 electrons, which are negative charges. So for it to be positively charged, we simply say the number of protons, which is positive 4, if we are calculating, minus the number of electrons, which is negative 3. So it's 4 minus 3, which is positive 1, which gives the total charge of positive 1. So it means the object is positively charged. This means the object has lost electrons, or he has fewer electrons than protons. The protons are the ones which are found in the nucleus, where there are also neutrons. Let us consider this. It has got originally this electron, but it is to be transferred to the next atom, and the next atom gained an electron. So this cation will be positively charged because it has lost an electron. For an atom to be negatively charged, let us consider this anion. It has got 4 protons, which are 4 positive charges, and 5 electrons, which are negative charges. So let us calculate the number of protons, which is positive 4, minus the number of electrons. 4 minus 5 gives us negative 1. So the total charge is negative 1. In this case, I've made a mistake here. It's negative 1. So the object is negatively charged. This means the object has gained an extra electrons, giving it more negative charges than positive ones. Alright, so the key points to remember: positive charges are caused by a shortage of electrons. Negative charges are caused by an excess of electrons. Protons carry a positive charge while electrons carry a negative charge. Neutrons have no charge and they help balance the atomic structure but do not affect electrical charge.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so for free so you'll never miss any of our future lessons. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can learn too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll personally attend to you. And don't forget to let me know which topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next lesson.